former Meghalaya Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has come down heavily on the state government over the prevailing law and order situation. The top Congress leader blamed the Conrad Sangma government for the prevailing sense of insecurity among the people, which he believes is due to the resurgence of different militant activities in the state. The former Chief Minister attributed this to growing frustration and anger among the people, particularly the youths. Meanwhile, lack of opportunities has also led to the current situation, said Mukul Sangma.
Obviously, the prevailing sense of insecurity amongst the people across the state, keeping in mind the resurgence and reemergence of various militant activities and insurgent activities across the state, against the backdrop of palpable feeling of frustration, loss of hope, and anger amongst the people, particularly the youth, against the backdrop of lack of opportunities for any of our people from different walks of life, not just the youth, and the resultant frustration and anger associated with that. So this is one crucial issue which is confronting the people. When we talk to the people, we know how frustrated people are, angry people are about lack of opportunities having been created by the government in the last preceding.
Well, Mukul Sangma also blamed the government for allegedly failing to instill a sense of security in the minds of the people living in the bordering areas. Sangma said that his party is deeply distributed with the developments pertaining to the border issue.
Sense of insecurity amongst our brethren who are residing along the interstate border because of, I must say, the failure to reinstill the sense of security amongst people by the government of the day, and the failure of the government to respond to a given situation when people are subjected to some kind of instances where they are being intruded upon by people from the neighboring state. So these are palpable instances which have been shared with us and is being seen. That's why I'm saying palpable. It's visible. It's being heard. It's circulating in the social media network. So those are issues of instant occurrences which has drawn the attention of the people, and therefore those are the issues which concern the people, and we are deeply disturbed by this development.
Well, Mukul Sangma also blamed the government for allegedly giving up its fight against COVID-19. The former Chief Minister said that the government has left it on the people to deal with the situation, which he feels is not right considering the gravity of the situation.
The way government is behaving is that as though the pandemic is over, as though they have nothing else to do, as though what they have done is enough, and they have left everything to the people. Please remember that this pandemic is still in our vicinity, and the impact on life is being felt by every citizen, every family across the state, across the nation, across the world. Therefore, this issue is another issue which will be taken up in the August House and see that the government wakes up from its, that whole chalta hai attitude and respond to its call of duty.
Whereas on the other hand, the opposition leader also slammed the government for lack of proper power supply in the nook and corners of the state. Sangma said that students are suffering the utmost as it has become a barrier for the online mode of classes.
The educational institutions have resorted to online classes. What happens when there are no electricity supply in the villages? What happens, forget about villages, even in the urban areas? How inconvenienced the students are subjected to, and how frustrating it must be for the students, even for the young kids. The young kids were telling us, sir, we can't attend our online classes just because we don't have power supply. So this is one issue.
And in a significant statement, Mukul Sangma said that people want members of the ruling MDA to move a no-confidence motion against the government in the ensuing session of the State Assembly over alleged failure in different aspects.
Now, interestingly, I'll tell you one interesting input that I received and then which we were discussing amongst ourselves, is that this time, I think people of the state, that is what the people of the state are telling me, not my colleagues, but then people of the state are telling us, okay, that this time, members who are in the government, they should table no confidence motions against the government. And if anybody tables, we'll be there. Yes.
So are you suggesting them to?
No, I am being told by people. We were told by people of the state that it should be the members who are in the government, who are in the ruling dispensation, who should table no confidence motions against the government. And that is the input that has been shared with us. They are telling us, they are telling them also, I am told. Now, whether they agree or not is up to them. But if they table, then we are there.